Ever wondered how viral music videos are made? In this short tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to create one just like this.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let's dive in. First, we'll be using ChatGPT to generate our lyrics for our song. So open ChatGPT and type the song that you want. I want "Gratitude is my worship." So it will bring out the lyrics. I want a Christian lyrics. Then you now tell ChatGPT to do the lyrics for the music. You will bring it out, you go through, then put the instruments that will be used for it. Once this generates, we'll be using Suno AI to generate our song. So go to Suno AI, click on the first Suno, that is it. Then you will see Suno AI will come out. Once it comes out, you have to sign up. Click on sign up, then sign up with your Gmail account. Okay, just as you sign up to other apps. So once you sign up to your Gmail account, choose the right Gmail, then you will have to follow the whole prompt. Like, you put the type of song you want to do: pop, classical, hip hop, Christian. Then just click on it. Then you will choose your username and your password. Once you are done, it will open like this. Click on that place that is pink, then it comes out. Then put the lyrics you got from ChatGPT, copy and paste. Then scroll down, okay, and put everything that is there. The style, whether it's hip hop, upbeat, Christian, I like Christian. Then you put the instruments that you'll be using. You tick the gender, whether it is female voice or male voice. Okay. Then you go back and tick on the style. Remember, the style is very important. The piano, anything that you want to add to your song, just add it. You put the title. Okay, my title is "Gratitude is my worship." Once you put the title, then you now put all the things you want, the futuristic, the everything. Then you click on create. Your music will start creating. It creates 4 songs for you to choose. Some are pro, 2 are pro, 2 you can download. So once it's done, click on that 3 dots by the side, then you will see download and download. Then the next thing we'll be using is Pixverse. Go to Pixverse. If you want to know how to use Pixverse, I have a video on that. So open your Pixverse, click on the plus sign, click on text to video, then paste your prompt to turn your text to video of the person you want to be singing the song. Okay, ChatGPT can generate this for you, or you can copy my prompt, then you generate. Then it will generate for you within few minutes. Once it's generated, you will see an animated version of someone you want to use for your song, exactly as you said in the prompt. Now we'll be using Dreamface. Open Dreamface, sign up if you've not signed up already. I've already signed up. Then close this place that says you should pay. Okay, they give free credits. So if you close, you will see talk and sing. Click on avatar talk and sing. Once you click that, this place will come out. Once this place comes out, the next thing is to put the video. Click on the plus sign, click on album, select the video you got from Pixverse, then you will upload it on your Dreamface. Then click on want avatar to say or sing. Once you click on that place, you go to import. Click on import from files. Then click on from files. Once you click on from files, you select the song you downloaded from Suno. Okay, that song you select it, make sure you know it. Gratitude is my worship. Then once you select it, it will want you to adjust. Sometimes you adjust, sometimes it doesn't adjust. Okay, once it adjusts to where you want it to be, you adjust, then you click on animate. It will now lip sync and sing for you. Generate to 100, and here is our song. What do you think, guys? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.
Heart sings your name. Every trial, every blessing.